This video is about how to use the Flamemaster grid holder around an open fire. Check the heat to determine where and how you want to position your Flamemaster and which angle you want to use. Move the Flamemaster around the fire as you require. You can push it closer, you can move it around the fire, any place around the fire. You can place the Flamemaster. Wherever you make a fire, you can position the Flamemaster to use the heat of the fire. You can turn the grid 180 degrees. You can move it away from the fire, adjust the angle. You can flip the grid to expose the other side of your meat to the heat. You can turn it 180 degrees. Move it closer to the fire. You can flip the grid. As I said, the whole idea of the video is to indicate what you can do with the grid holder and how you can turn or flip the grid with your meat. You can take it easy. There's no rush. You can cook your meat quickly or slowly, or whatever you decide. You can cook your meat. And you can keep the fire going while cooking your meat. It's always nice to have a fire going while cooking your meat. You don't have to wait for the coals. You use the flames of the fire, and you always have the company of the fire while you do your cooking. Regularly check the heat to determine which angle you want to use, whether how close you want the grid holder to the fire, or if you have to move it away. So it's very difficult to burn your meat. You are in total control when using the Flamemaster. If you require some meat at the bottom of your grill, you can put some coals at the bottom to increase the heat. So this indicates the versatility of the Flamemaster. You can use it in whichever way you want, in whichever way your meat requires. No rush, no pressure, just easy grilling, cooking with an open flame. And as I said, you can place this grid holder any place around the fire. Wherever you make a fire, you can place the grid holder. You can move it around the fire, on this fire pit, any place. There's no need to hit pegs into the ground for swivel grid holders or for swivel grills. You just place it and move it around the fire as you wish. It is the most versatile open fire grid holder you can get. Just try it.